Building your self-promotion platform, from strategy to action steps for independent authors. Brought to you by Book Marketing Mentor. Let's start by telling the story of who are you? There are 3 elements that make a good story. Set the stage, introduce tension, resolve that tension. You might be wondering what to say. Start by what makes you unique. Why would people want to know you? What would make them care? Why would people need to read your book? And what is that backstory behind your book? Why did you write it? You're about to be interviewed by Jimmy Fallon, and the audience wants to know what makes you unique. Here's the scene. You're going to be interviewed, and you've got 2 minutes to prepare your story. You have 1 minute to tell your story. So I want you to write up 3 to 5 talking points that you could fit into that minute. Rehearse your story, and then record yourself telling your story. The time starts now. You'll probably want to pause here and take action. Now, when you get back, watch your recording. Take notes. See what you liked, what you'd like to do differently. I know the first time I saw myself on camera, I was astounded, and I changed a bunch of ways that I stood, the way I spoke, lots of things. Keep doing this exercise. Film yourself, and you'll get better at delivering your content. These are the 2 Judys behind Book Marketing Mentor. We're serious about your platform. You can find us at bookmarketingmentor.com, where we help you with the planning, engaging your audience, launching, and selling your book. Please share what you learned today using this hashtag on social media, Book Marketing Mentor. And remember to visit us at bookmarketingmentor.com for tips on marketing your book. And I'll see you again in a future episode.